New 2024 Lexus LBX Hybrid Small Luxury Crossover SUV. Lexus LBX debuts as small luxury crossover with 134 hybrid horsepower. New Lexus LBX revealed, price, specs, and release date. Rumors of a fancier Yaris Cross have been swirling around for years, and now the Lexus LBX is officially here. Positioned below the UX and serving as the new entry-level model, the tiny crossover is an indirect replacement for the defunct CT hatchback. It rides on the same GAB platform as its Toyota sibling, but with different styling to better fit Lexus design language both inside and out. The LBX is 4,190 mm, 165 inches, long, 1,825 mm, 71.8 in, wide, and 1,545 mm, 60.8 in, tall, while having a wheelbase of 2,580 mm, 101.5 in. Riding on 18-inch wheels is standard equipment. The petite Lexus is actually slightly bigger than the Yaris Cross and tips the scales at 1,280 kilograms, 2,821 pounds. It will be offered with a choice between front and all-wheel drive, with all configurations coming exclusively with a continuously variable transmission. Lexus has revealed a new baby crossover model to sit below the UX in its range. Powered by a 1.5-liter self-charging hybrid, it goes on sale in October, with first customers getting cars in March 2024. New Lexus LBX revealed. Lexus's smallest ever car. Baby SUV acts as new entry point for Lexus. 1.5-liter 3-cylinder petrol hybrid power. Pricing due in October. Cars on UK roads in March 2024. This is the new Lexus LBX, the baby SUV that the Japanese premium brand is calling a landmark model and game changer in Europe. Brands such as BMW, Audi, and Mercedes don't have a crossover this small, with the likes of the BMW X1 and Mercedes GLA being considerably larger, lining up with Lexus's UX. At the heart of the LBX is a hybrid powertrain based around a 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter gasoline engine. It produces a combined output of 134 horsepower, 100 kilowatts, and a maximum torque of 185 Nm, 136 pound-feet. It's enough electrified punch for a 0 to 62 miles per hour 100 kilometers per hour run in 9.2 seconds and a maximum towing capacity of 750 kilograms, 1,653 pounds.
I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that
Cars such as the DS3, Volkswagen T-Cross or Peugeot 2008 will be alternatives to the new little Lexus. That should mean a price point around the £30,000 mark when the LBX goes on sale in October. New Lexus LBX design. The LBX's styling moves away from the gaping grills of recent Lexus cars to a softer and less dramatic look with slender headlamps. Short front and rear overhangs give the car a sportier stance, and it will come with a choice of 17 or 18-inch alloy wheels. At the rear, Lexus lettering features large across the tailgate where the badge would previously have instead sat, and there's a rear spoiler and full-width lighting bar across the bootlid. At just 4,190 mm long, the LBX is significantly, 110 mm, shorter than a Peugeot 2008 and 45 mm shorter than a VW T-Cross, while the DS3 is 72 mm shorter than the Lexus. But interior space should be helped by the LBX measuring wider than any of those other small crossovers. New Lexus LBX interior and infotainment. The new LBX has a stylish cabin, as you'd expect from a Lexus. There are plenty of bold shapes and contours, and the materials look interesting as well. The central 9.8-inch touchscreen is accompanied by a new 12.3-inch full digital dashboard display on higher trim levels, where a head-up display will also be available. You will be able to get voice control using Hey Lexus, along with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A digital key will also be offered, allowing users to unlock the car using their phone, and to also share the digital key with friends and family that need access to the vehicle. For lovers of high-quality music, a 13-speaker Mark Levinson audio system is present. As for practicality, boot space isn't great, with the 332-liter luggage area compared with 350 for the DS3 and over 400 for the Peugeot 2008 and Yaris Cross. New Lexus LBX engine and performance. From launch at least, there's just the one LBX engine option, a newly developed version of Toyota and Lexus's so-called self-charging hybrid that combines petrol engine and a small battery and electric motor capable of powering the car for short distances on its own, before recharging mainly via energy recouped when slowing. The changes to the hybrid system have, claimed Lexus, allowed it to focus on adding the driving pleasure it admits was lacking in previous systems. The 3-cylinder 1.5-liter petrol-electric hybrid has a 134 HP power output, although performance figures are yet to be confirmed. One thing Lexus has said is that the new hybrid system works at higher speeds and longer distances compared to previous cars, where a feather touch was required to keep the EV system operating without calling in petrol backup. Cars are front-wheel drive as standard, with four-wheel drive confirmed as an available option, achieved by adding an additional electric motor to the rear axle. New Lexus LBX price and release date. Production of the LBX kicks off in late 2023, but Lexus will let customers place reservations from July, with full details of spec and pricing, and the ability to place actual orders scheduled for October, and first cars hitting UK roads in March 2024.